Guys, today in this video we will learn about if else that is used in JavaScript, how to use if else, and there is also called ternary operator, which is very important. Ternary operator, we also learn about this also. So let's start. So what is if else? So if else is used for implementing some logic on some condition. So suppose there is a weather. Okay. So let consider the weather to be a hot or a cold or a moderate weather. So it's totally depend upon temperature. So if temperature is 50 degree, it means that is hot. So what I what I have to write is here, if temperature is greater than equals to 25, then what does it means? It means that hot today. Okay, and else if if temperature is greater than equals to 15 and temperature is less than 25, it means that moderate temperature today. Moderate temperature. And else, if the temperature is less than 15, what I have to write here is cold. Cold today. So let's run it and see what I got. I got hot today, and if I write minus 45, I got cold today. Cold today. So there is also a ternary operator. So the syntax of ternary operator is there is some condition, okay, and then there is question mark. After question mark, we have to write what happen if this condition is true. Okay, so if this condition is true, then we have to write something, and then we have to write colon here. And what if that condition is false? So let's implement it. So if suppose there is a marks, let marks, okay, let marks, which is equals to 70. Now I have to implement it. If marks is greater than 70, it means that I have to print good student, good student, or and otherwise I have to print average student, average student. So let's see what we got as an output, average student, because I want marks to be a 70. Yeah, if I write it to be a 80, so I got to be a good student because the marks is greater than 70. And this is how we implement the ternary operator in a JavaScript. So thank you guys.